my name is Julie, and today I'll be introducing you to a new griddle that we have in our store today. This is the Blackstone propane-fueled use griddle. It is a 36-inch model, which is 91 centimeters for our metric users. As you can see here, it is a very wide set, which allows for a lot of food and easy convenience. In fact, this is a griddle for all of everybody in your family, from masters to intermediate to beginners. Anybody can use this. Not only that, this is multi-purpose, so you can use it for your vegetables, your carbs, and your proteins, all on one plate. Now, isn't that inconvenient? Another benefit to our griddle here is that it has this stand where you can place your accessories such as, the skewers and the tongs. In fact, this thing right here is magnetic for your stainless steel accessory. It's for easy convenience and it's popped right in. Over here, you can see there's hooks for you to hang your accessories, such as this tongs and more knife set and barbecue set. It is very easy to use. Not really to mention, this griddle is extremely accessible and clean. With this hour spray, you can clean this all in just one swipe. And that's all for today. Thank you folks for listening to my short review.